Hello everybody, this is a quick demonstration of my newly working PET and a tap player. I'm following the guide on Amibay, which I have just sold literally 5 minutes ago. It's taken me a couple of hours to do it all, but it appears to be working. Let's give it a go. Ooh. Don't think you spell load like that, do you? Load. I don't have any buttons yet, so I'm going to touch the wire to make it work. Sorry about that. I can't hold the pin and the phone at the same time. But that's loading, and that says it's loading 14%. So what I will do, when I get some buttons, I think I've got some, is I shall put it in my old C2M box. Oops, just dropped all the screws. I'll make it look pretty. 40%. I don't know how long a Commodore PET tape takes, but it's, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 minutes. All the details are on Amibay, and there's a guide on a blog which is particularly good, which I'll provide a link to. Peter, I think it was, who's done a guide, very good. The wiring is pretty simple, but it will consume a couple of hours. Basically it's the UNO, not UNO, Nano, the SD reader, and a lot of soldering. 86. Exciting stuff. This is my PET, which has been broken for many years. Can't really see inside very well. That board there is a ROM and RAM replacement, which gets the old girl running. Ooh, things are happening. Bioterror. Yeah. Let's save the USA. Or not, as the case may be. Well, there we go. I'll do a better video, one that's more stable, when I bolt it all together and get it going properly. Still thinks it's loading for some reason. But there we go. Great.